In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Absolum on PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and after that we will quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download this game. Quickly go to the Steam website and we are going to check the price of the game. So open the game page of Absolum and after that scroll a little bit down. Then you will find the game for €24.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a bit of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here we are going to search for the same game, Absolum. So search for the game Absolum, after that select it, and now you will find different options. What we need to do is select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first, and then eventually you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so always make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work for you. Then you can select the game and open the game page, scroll a little bit down and you will find out that we can already purchase this game for just €17.81 compared to the Steam price of €24.99. This will definitely save you a bit of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!